Hey, what's going on, guys? Sterling the Investor here, and in today's video we're going to talk about a semiconductor stock that can make you rich in 2025. I know a lot of you guys have probably heard about some of the big dogs in this space, the Nvidias, the Intels, the AMDs, companies of that sort. However, I've identified another player in the space that can give us potential returns of 10x, 15x, and possibly even 20x. So let's talk about it. The company we're going to talk about today is Lattice Semiconductor, and this is a semiconductor stock that competes with Nvidia and AMD, currently trading at about $56 per share, has a market cap of about $7.7 billion, and finished last year down about 12%, which are all reasons why I think this stock could be a potential stock that we can invest in that has a huge upside. So companies like AMD have a $203 billion market cap. We have companies like Nvidia that has a $3.5 trillion market cap. So with this company sitting at only $7.7 billion, that tells me that we have a lot of room to grow. So just think about it like this. For this company to even become 1/3 the size of AMD, that would put us at a 10x return. If it got to 2/3 the size of AMD, that would put us at a 20x return. That's crazy to think about, and we're not even going to talk about Nvidia sitting at the $3.5 trillion market cap. But if we can just hit those numbers, not even become the size of AMD, which is not the biggest player in the space, but just 1/3 to 2/3 of the size, we could be looking at a 10x to 20x return on our investment. Here's some reasons why I'm very bullish and becoming more and more interested in this company. So first, they are eating into the market share of big companies like Intel and AMD. Next, they are a leader in low power programmable logic devices. They are positioned to grow in this market that is driven by AI, 5G, and edge computing. And they also have a very, very innovative product offering in which they're expanding in emerging industries. And that makes me think that Lattice is positioned for sustained growth heading into the future. Also shown the ability to consistently grow the top line revenue, which is always a good indicator that Wall Street may become interested in this company. Now, I want to get in before Wall Street gets in because that's before the big pump comes. So if we can get in now while the price is low, before the Wall Street money pours in, this would be the ideal opportunity to get in, because once they get in, the ship is going to take off, and I don't want it to take off without me. The downside to this stock is they finished the year not performing well in terms of the stock price. Like I say, top line revenue grew, which was always a good sign, but the stock price did not reflect that. However, toward the end of last year, they did replace their CEO, and I'm confident with his over 10 years, over a decade of experience in the semiconductor space that he can right this ship and get us going in the right direction. But guys, I want to tell you, this is a risk. This is a smaller cap stock, so there is risk that comes with that. However, in order to get the big asymmetric type returns, you have to be willing to take the risk. You're not going to make a 10x, 20x return on your money by investing in companies that have already made it, the Nvidias, the AMDs, the Intels. The potential opportunity just isn't there. So in order to get those outsized returns, you have to be willing to take a risk. So of course, do your own research, do your own due diligence, look into this stock, and don't bet the house on it. I'm not gonna put a big portion of my portfolio into this stock. I got a little bit more research to do, but I wanted to put it on you guys' radar. If anything, I'm going to be looking to allocate a very small percentage of my portfolio. And if the stock does start to do better, I'll continue to average into the stock as it goes up. But that's my take on it. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them in the comments below. I love to connect with you guys. Shoot me a DM, hit me up on Instagram. Like I said, I love to connect with you guys, and I hope you found the video informative and enjoyed it, and I'll talk to y'all again soon.